Spell my name in your soup, ABCs. What I'm rocking, ain't no Subies, APCs. Why'd I wake up? I just seen you in a dream. When I wake up, I just go right back to sleep. Spell my name in your soup, ABCs. What I'm rocking, ain't no Subies, APCs. Why'd I wake up? I just seen you in a dream. Spell my name in your soup, ABCs. Big bands and a big body, big boy pants is not a hobby. There's more money than you ever seen. I'm Rick Ross, eating calamari. I don't shop at Ross, they be just from Barney's. Eddie Bauer, no Ed Hardy. Look around, look at what you started. Look at you, looking at the ground. Spell my name.
Today we're back at it. Gonna be picking up the Raging Bull 5s today, and I want to take you guys through along. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe.
All right, Cody, what are we picking up today?
5s.
Okay, is that it?
Yes.
Okay. Beautiful as always, Las Vegas.
Okay, so this is not my pair. So Cody let me look at it. So right off the bat, we could see the red Jumpman with the wood, size 10.5. Box is fire, and the wrapping paper is also that wood floor. But these super crazy. Got the 3M reflective tongue. The suede on it feels like the alternate grapes that released last year. Embroidered 23 on the back, black Jumpman on the back. Also clear netting, as well as clear netting on the tongue too. Look at that bottom. These are so nice. I really wanted to hit, but I got lucky on sneakers today, so my pair is coming in on Wednesday or something. But yeah, just these are so nice. I don't know if they come with a extra pair. No, so these only come with the red pair of laces, but still such a clean shoe. Like I said, you got that 3M reflective, and then you got the lace lock clear with the red. I believe it should have a Jumpman on it, so it's just a clear. But yeah, such a clean shoe. I'm gonna make sure to give you guys some B-roll, but again, look at that box. Nice red. And this box is very different from a lot of the Jordan boxes we've been seeing last year and next year. So we're gonna go pick up another shoe right now. But
Look, this guy just came up to us. He's selling his pair. He just walked out. How could you sell the pair, dude? But like, they're not even my size, and I don't even want to let him go. This is Cody's pair, and I don't even want to let him go.
Spell my name in your soup, ABCs. What I'm rocking, ain't no Subies, APCs. Why'd I wake up? I just seen you in a dream. When I wake up, I just go right back to sleep. Spell my name in your soup, ABCs. What I'm rocking, ain't no Subies, APCs. Why'd I wake up? I just seen you in a dream. Spell my name in your soup, ABCs. Big bands and a big body, big boy pants is not a hobby. There's more money than you ever seen. I'm Rick Ross, eating calamari. I don't shop at Ross, they be just from
Guys, we are back home now. We have the pair in hand. This is my size 9.5. My dad ended up putting my size in and won, so shout out to my dad for helping me with these. But yeah, these are gonna go straight on the shelves. Yeah, totally in love with this colorway. Looks amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more like this, make sure to drop a like and a sub. And anyways, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. I will have the sneaker collection video coming out soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.